Go.
Hi. How are you today? How was your morning? And
if I'm with Virgo, I can be a star again in a Bay State.
That's it?
The stage of my new dream. I see it. That's what you meant by
Stop.
in order for us to
will you like to put your bright maybe we could have a play date today with Luke. Could have a play date with Chet. Oh, Luke. Maybe my eye, just like what Mommy did last night.
Oh, great. Thanks.
And what? Mom?
All right, say
Have a nice day.
bye.
Bye.